and it's, well, that could be like the bloopers. We get a blooper reel. Taste test blooper reel.
Number one.
It's gonna be like 5 videos worth of just bloopers.
You're just being idiots.
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Is you staring at them.
Oh, that's really awesome because I will be staring at myself this entire time.
Yeah.
Hey, Chinkering Spur! You're in every video! Every video! Hey, we can't do a video without someone ripping one.
Okay.
Oh, she's like, how do you turn a guy on? I won't let you go until you tell me how to turn a guy on. And he's like, I
poor guy.
don't know, leave me alone. And so it was kind of embarrassing, but at the same time, I just laughed the entire time because it was so horrible and funny. It's okay, it's little bite size, more bite size than actually. Do you need help?
Maybe. Oh, I got it. Edit the plates. It doesn't smell like anything.
It smells like disappointment.
It smells like...
I know how to do this.
Are you sure about that?
Hello.
Maybe.
And welcome
Hey,
to
you chose me.
a Loot Crate unboxing.
Well, it's cause...
Here, we unbox.
I can't get it open!
Makeup. Do you need help?
I can't get my own friggin' brushes open! Oh my gosh! That is slightly terrifying.
Have fun.
It's like his head's chopped off. Wow.
That is my call, by the way. Hold on.
Shut up, nurse. I'm.
I press something. And go. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-pow.
To get more space.
You can move around, honey. Stand up, move around, get different angles so they can actually see what's happening.
Whoa.
Not like that. Hold still for a minute while I
You're gonna be dizzy when you try to edit that out.
Oh boy.
Let me read
I
it.
know what those are.
It's Taiwan.
Chifovai, chifoku, chibu. Okay, I can't read
Good
it.
job.
Cameraman is making up his own language. Good job.
Drop the whole thing down in there.
And Jordan's wasting pot stickers.
Look
off
over to the side and be like
you
this.
doing a steak dance and you don't know the guy who asked you. And you're like,
I've got something to say to you. Please don't make eye contact. I only said yes because I felt bad.
Yep.
But
could have been true love.
I could have married this man, but no.
Except for if you had, you couldn't have ever met me.
No, not my waifu.
They're prunes if prunes
Okay.
were from grapes.
Oh.
Spicy
Oh
raisins?
no, not again.
What the heck was that? What did I just eat?
What did you just eat?
I don't know.
You didn't eat the same thing I did, because
This is delicious. What did I just eat? Just this?
you must have had a bad one.
She got the rotted
I don't
fruit.
want to try another one. No, I don't want to
Try another.
Yes. That was better. What the heck did I eat? Freaking Heather insult. Like, you are so apple juice.
Just watches every single comment is about juicy brother.
Around the terms.
She's gonna be if Ryan watches this.
Ryan's gonna just be commenting the entire time. Juicy.
Ryan's not gonna
Juicy,
listen to
juicy,
it.
juicy, juicy, juicy.
So that was our first ever juicy challenge.
It wasn't that juicy. Prune juice, right?
Juicy. I'm so fringes and you're so apple. I was friends with the one girl who wanted to go to the dance and Heather. Those were my only friends in high school.
You should have asked Heather.
I should have asked Heather. Oh, that would have been awesome.
Aaron and Alyssa are back, and Adam is gone. He went on strike. Poor working conditions.
More money, more time off.
Please, sir, we asked you to leave the building already. Please,
And when I'm pregnant, I want time off.
Hey, you.
My kid's falling down. I need to invest money into felt.
DI! That's really dope. I don't really have any embarrassing moments.
I have a lot of them.
In the car.
Not in the car.
Not quite spicy. I like this one. What is that? It's like something's eating. Oh, there's the spice.
Stupid things that people don't need to do.
Oh, that's so spicy.
Our poor friend with the Deadpool cap, she does not tolerate spice at all.
That is bad. That is really bad.
Welcome to
brother.
Cheese, my brother.
It's like lots of song for imaginary friends.
And now
Cheese! Like,
And together we're
that's it.
blue cheese.